So yeah, we're on an installation in Yorkshire, 750 square metres. We were recommended for this project. We've done a couple of projects for family members and also the main contractor on site here that are doing other works. We do work for them on a regular basis as well. We're finding here in Yorkshire that people are prioritising the garden space more. I think because people have been forced to stay at home more, they're more keen to develop the outside space and do more with it and be able to use it all through the year. Yeah, so COVID-19 has been actually quite a boost to the business, but our business was growing and thriving before COVID-19. So although we've had a bit of a boost, I think it will carry on increasing and growing beyond that. So I suspect there'll be a slight correction once lockdown lifts completely. But the industry for artificial grass keeps growing, so we expect that to carry on in the same way.